Guys, today we are learning how to wash a table with Lysol wipes.
Hey guys, so my name is Quentin Rose, and I'm going to be showing you how to wipe down the table. First step, you open up this little pack called Lysol, or make sure it has these white wipes in it. You pick one out, and you set this down somewhere else on the different table. Then, if the thing is not flattened out, then you flatten out yourself, like this. Then, you start from one end of the table, and then you work up, you work down, up. And you go to the other side, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Like that. You just keep on wiping it down just like you were. Before you get to the end, check your Lysol wipe to see if it's dirty. Mine isn't so dirty, so I will keep on using it. So then I'll go down to up and finish it. And if you see any dirty parts, just wipe down the little area.
Guys, now we're going to put up our supplies. First, put up the Lysol wipes. Put them where your teacher says to. Then, throw this in the garbage.
We are warrior buddies.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.